What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're diving into the Crown, and I'm actually going to explain to you guys what exhaust I'm running, what kind of exhaust. I'll give you some sound clips and things like that. There's a huge range of exhausts out there and modifications that people do. People are doing rear muffler deletes, resonator deletes, third cat deletes, straight piping it, like sports exhausts, twin exhausts, X pipes, all these different things. And you don't know what you want. So I'm going to give you guys a rundown of what I've got. So if you like the sound, you can always run it, or you can run something similar. And if you don't, obviously that's something you can tick off your list and go, okay, that's not loud enough, it's too loud, it's whatever. Now, to give you an explanation on mine, it's actually a bolt-on kit. It's literally from axle back. You can unbolt that flange, and it comes from Blow Designs, the guys that do my body kit, because you actually have to buy this back end of the exhaust to fit their body kit. Apart from that flange at my diff all the way forward, it's all factory. So out of the engine, into the headers, into a cat on each side, then that connects into one pipe, goes to a single cat, then a huge long resonator that's like 3 foot long. Then out of there goes to what I've got in the back, which actually splits into two, as they all do. Comes out into, I think it's into a muffler, then into a hot dog, and then out, or into a hot dog, into a muffler, then out. Really small muffler, and I like the sound, but I'll get under there and show you exactly what I got. Okay, so just in front of those two pipes is a connection, and then it comes back, splits off one side, and the other side doesn't have a flange as far as I'm aware, and I can't see one there. So then it comes back, as you can see that pipe. So that pipe on the top is from the front, so it comes back, does a little loop, which is super strange, into its little muffler there, loops back around into a hot dog, and then shoots out the back into these twin tips. As you can see, are the Mode Parfum Japan tips. Now that's the same on both sides. So then everything in front of that connection, where the two back pipes connect, is all factory forwards from there. Yeah, I think it's about a 2.25 inch size pipe coming out that they've modified, all stainless steel, so it's gonna last forever. But let me just show you a little sound clip. I'll do the cold start, because obviously that's the loudest, and then I'll go up the way and give you a bit of a drive off launch kind of sound clip, so you can see if you like what it sounds like. So yeah guys, that is the exhaust I have on the Crown. So just to cover it again, it's completely factory all the way back to the diff. Then from that flange point, it comes out in a 2.25 inch split pipe, one left, one right, goes into a small muffler, into a hot dog, and then back out the back on each side. I hope that sound clip's okay. I know there was some road noise and cars driving past and so on. And the car isn't that loud. So like I'm saying, if it's your cup of tea, great. You can go and buy that directly from Mode Parfum. It's not like a custom setup or anything. It's literally, hey guys, I want that, give me that. I think it's like $700 plus shipping, and the shipping's horrendous from Japan at the moment. So you could go and get like a custom thing made up, very similar. Obviously louder if you just cut the rear mufflers out, things like that. Now, my friend who bought the black Majesta that I did a feature on a little while ago, he's actually going to get a full twin system all the way through. So from what he was telling me, he's getting a 2.5 inch system from, it'll go out of the headers into the cats, and then straight out the back of the cats, he's going to go a twin system into an X pipe, which is like a crossover pipe, and then follow that twin system all the way back into some sports mufflers at the back. So when he gets that done, I will get him to do a sound clip for me, and I'll do a little, I'll throw that into one of the vlogs just so you guys can hear that as well. I just know there's a heap of options out there and you don't know really what you want to go with. So I'm just trying to give everyone another view of what you can make your crown sound like. I actually really like how this one sounds. I may go and pull out the third cat because it's not required here in Australia. I've got 2 cats, you know, one each side. So all exhaust gases are going through a cat. So the third cat is pointless. Whether it's going to make much of a difference, I'm not sure. And I would like to, at some point, do a full bypass valve that goes around that resonator as well. So when I want it really loud, I can press a button and open a valve up. But whether I'll do it or whether I won't, we'll see in the future. But I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I hope it was helpful. Again, feel free to join the Facebook group, Letterlegion Legends, if you want to share your rides, have some love, spread some love onto other people's rides, that'd be great. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.